As a Scrum Master or an Agile coach, how can you help a team become performant? For you to help a team to become performant, you must understand the top man approach of team performance. The first phase is forming the team, which is bringing different people with different value together. The second phase is storming. When people with different ideology come together, there is a need that there's going to be different in ideology. And after some time, they will understand themselves. They move to the third phase, which is called norming. Normalizing is where they get to start building value and they get to start cooperating. When they start cooperating, now they become performing. When they become performing, that is when they start delivering value and their velocity become constant. And after that, they move to the last phase called adjoining, which is where they might move to become tech lead or to become agile coaches. That is how you help a team to become performant.